Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming to you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel out a ton, and about 80% of you are not subscribed, so please click that little subscribe button and the bell notification if you actually want to be notified when I post new videos. All right, today's dish is an Italian panini with a nice homemade aioli. All right, to make the aioli, we first start with a half a cup of mayo, then about a half a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Then we want about a half a teaspoon of oregano, a half a teaspoon of basil, then a quarter teaspoon to a half a teaspoon of thyme. And then, of course, salt and pepper. And again, make sure your pepper's freshly ground. Pepper grinders are not that expensive, and I think it gives a great product. Because the stuff that's pre-ground is pre-ground like months ago, so it loses a lot of that, well, for lack of a better term, pepperiness. So I always just freshly grind it myself. And then grab a tiny whisk and whisk this all together. You can do this the day before. I gave it, gotta think, 15, 20 minutes in the fridge. All right, let's start assembling the sandwich. All right, as you can see here, I spread the aioli on each piece of sourdough. If you'll notice in the right-hand corner, a remnant of another cooking video. They did not last long. And then to each slice of bread, I'm adding a bit of pepper jack. All right, and then we're going to add about 4 slices of salami. You can pick this up at any deli. And then a couple of slices of Virginia ham. All right, and then you want to add 4 slices of pepperoni. These ones you have to pick up at your deli counter. As you can see, they're much larger than the ones you get in the Hormel bag. Those are good for pizzas. These are good for sandwiches. And then you want to add at least 1 slice of beef steak tomato or heirloom tomatoes, whatever you like. Don't forget to salt and pepper your tomato slices. And then you want to add some pickled pepperoncini peppers, or if you can't find them, pickled banana peppers will work just as well. And then you want to take the pepperoni side, place that on top, and then I didn't use my panini press with these. I just decided to griddle them. So griddle these for a few minutes and should be good to go. After a couple minutes, you should be looking at something a little bit like this, but let's get a cross section. And then just grab a knife, cut through it, and pull it apart, and boom. That's that. Italian panini with a homemade aioli. Done.